Hello everyone, this is your weekly update for Math 61. In this update, I just wanted to be sure that you understand some basic things that will help you in the class. And I think that I've told you a lot of these before, but just as a reminder, I want to make sure that you know, first of all, where you can go to get some tutoring. So if you're struggling in the class, you need some tutoring, you can access tutoring and set up appointments and get in contact with tutors. First of all, by going to the Gateway homepage. In the search bar, search for tutoring. The first option there says Tutoring GCTC. Go and click on that. And it will bring you to the tutoring page for Gateway, where you can get in contact with the tutor, make an appointment with the tutor, and look at the tutoring schedule, not only for this class, but for any other class that you might need tutoring in. So there's the math tutoring site, and the tutoring schedule for other classes as well. So you can go ahead and get yourself set up with a tutor that way. Okay, the next thing that I want to talk about is making sure that if you come across a link that's broken, and there might be some links out there that are broken, if you come across that, make sure that you can access your assignment directly through the MyLab Math link here. So if you're in Module 1 and you click on Assignment, and that assignment link is broken, remember you can always get to these assignments in MyLab Maths. So over here on the left-hand ribbon, click MyLab Math directly through that link. That way you can get to your homework, quizzes, tests. All of the things are there available to you directly through the MyLab Math link. So here's all the assignments. Another thing I want to make sure that you know about is if you're on an assignment, I just kind of randomly picked an assignment. If you're on an assignment and you go through and you try to answer the question, and you don't know how to do it, remember you can always get question helps over here. The question help me solve this. Give you an example, there's your textbook, so you can get the help that you need over here. Okay, and I already missed it once. Let me try again. I missed it twice. They'll let you try 3 times, and then they're going to say, well, okay, maybe you need a skill builder. And that's fine. You can go ahead and go through that, right? Go through that skill builder. Or you can go through, and you can see how I did that as I just kind of clicked over and got where I needed to be. If you miss it, don't be discouraged. You can always do a similar question. So you can try a similar question, and there it wants you to substitute different values and get the R value. So and now when I go ahead and enter this in, then that will take my incorrect answer and make it correct. So let's see here. Oh, use 3.14 for approximation of pi. Okay, well, that will then be 6.28. And then they actually want you to do that division. And my point here isn't this particular problem. My point is that if you miss something, you can always try it again and then get that problem correct. That's a little bit more than I bargained for, but just to make sure that you know if you miss a problem, you can always go back and get it right by hitting that similar exercise. All right, so that hopefully will be helpful. Okay, hopefully you also got the email and the announcement about the due dates being opened up. So due to different circumstances, I wanted everybody to have the chance to pass the class. So now all of the assignments in My Lab Math, all of them have a due date at the end of the class. So that's December 13th at 11:59 p.m. That's for all the assignments. So be sure that you don't procrastinate till the last week or the last couple of weeks, and you're keeping good pace, right? Because there are quite a few assignments, quite a few quizzes and tests that you need to work through, and that way you set up a good pace for yourself and give yourself the best chance to be successful in the class. All right, hope everybody's doing well. Stay safe, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.